In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how to edit your videos as a beginner and what particular app to use. What's up guys, welcome. My name is Tega Benson. I am a content creator and a YouTuber. This video has been my most requested video, guys. Like, people have been asking me on TikTok, on YouTube, how do you edit your videos? How do you edit your videos? What apps do you use? Blah, blah, blah.
Good production. You know, go hold me down. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what you do, where you go, how you dress. Me no papi show. Me a the stars, so me a no fan of you. Do what me wanna follow you.
Okay, so there are basically 3 apps that I use to edit my videos. Trust me, simplicity is key. You need to simplify your steps in terms of like creating your content. I don't like to confuse myself when I'm working or when I'm editing my videos. I just know that this app is for you, this app is for you. I don't use any other app. Everything the app has is what I need, like it's all I need. So I don't go switching from one app to another just because I want a particular feature, if you get what I mean. The first and most important app I use is vllo. This is what it looks like. All my videos on YouTube since 2020 have been edited by vllo. I don't use any other app. I know a bunch of other apps that you can use to edit your videos, but personally I feel like vllo is the best for me, and I think it will be for you too, because it's actually very simple, and at the same time it has a lot of features that you can just be mad creative with. For my TikTok videos, I use CapCut. 70-80% of TikTokers already know CapCut. I use iMovie as well. That's the third app. iMovie is basically for iPhone users. Then again, it's not that necessary. vllo can also be used by Android users. I use vllo to edit all of my videos, not even most, all of my YouTube videos, guys. I've been using that app since 2020. This is 2023 and I don't even see myself using another app to tell you how good that app really is. But the catch is, there's a catch though. vllo has in-app purchases, so there are some type of features that you would not get when you download the app just because they need you to pay some sort of fee. But if you're just starting out, I feel like you can download the app even without its in-app purchases, and if you happen to now have money for the upgrade, it's a chance you should be willing to take, because you have no idea the features in this app. Like, you would literally be excited when you're editing your videos. I also think that you can edit YouTube videos with this CapCut as well. So if you're one that don't have the resources for vllo, I would suggest you try out CapCut, because CapCut also has some nice features that you can start out with. If you're like a really new YouTuber and you have an iPhone, I think you can start out with iMovie. It's very simple. It's like 1 + 1 2 basically, but it doesn't have like the badass features that you might want to use. But then again, you're just starting out, you don't have to do too much. As time goes on and you're editing more videos and more videos, you get to be more creative and learn as you go. Okay, so for the remaining part of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the practical ways on how to actually edit your videos step by step as a beginner. Okay, if you look on top of the screen, you'll see the app. When I tap on that, it takes you to the first page of the app. This page basically shows you all of your projects, your videos, your clips. So if you can see here, I have a bunch of videos, guys. These are just some of the videos that I probably want to edit or have already edited or still working on. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using one video that I have just filmed. You can see it's about 3 hours 44 minutes 20 seconds long, and this video is what I'm supposed to transform into like a 14 to 15 minutes video. So that is where editing comes in. First up, we just have the video over here, and next up we have the play and pause button. The next button is, it just basically transforms the video into like a YouTube landscape. When it does, you are also introduced to a bunch of other options like fast forward 10 minutes or rewind 10 minutes. You can speed up the way you watch the video. 0.5 times means it's going to be slower. When you want to change it to 1 time, it plays the normal way. 1.5 times or 2 times, that means it's going to be faster. If you're one that has just filmed a video and you don't have like a thumbnail ready, and as you're editing your videos you see a picture that you would want to use as your thumbnail, for example, if you want to use this photo as your thumbnail, all you have to do is just press this camera button and it is saved to your camera roll. So then you can now just edit it as a thumbnail. Do you get what I mean? So we're back to the usual page now. If you can see what I'm cycling right now, you can see that there are a bunch of buttons that are like the arrows are facing here or facing here. So basically what it means is that when you tap this button, it takes you like very fast to the end. Did you just see that? And when you need to go back to the beginning all the way, like for example, this video I'm about to edit is about 3 hours long, so I cannot go all the way and just be going. It's going to take a while. So basically I just use the shortcut and press this other button to take me to the beginning of the video. I don't have to start scrolling over 3 hours long videos. Here and here is also take you back and forth, but this one is at a more slower pace, but this one takes you faster and this one takes you faster as well. Back and forth. Very simple, very easy. Are you guys following me? So basically, moving on to the next, we can see the media button here. Basically means that if you want to add a file or a video to edit here on the screen, you just tap it and it goes straight to your gallery. Let's select this picture now. I want to edit this picture along with my video, so I tap it and it takes me to the video I was editing before, and it just basically adds it to the video. And then if you come to the other end of my screen, you will see some sort of block. So basically if you just tap it, it takes you to all the videos that you are about to edit. You can see that I have about 177 clips that I am about to edit, guys. It's not easy. BGM, background music. It just basically shows you a bunch of background music that you can actually add to your video to give your video this feeling. There are some times when you're watching videos on YouTube, sometimes it's not as if you're even watching the video, you're just listening to the sound, because the sound is very interesting. It's soothing. It makes you even want to listen to what the person is saying. If you want to make like vlogs, you can just go to the vlog section, check for any music that you want and just select your choice. You can see there are a lot of music for just creating vlogs. Something I also love about this app is that maybe you're not satisfied with the songs that the app has on its own. You can actually extract sounds from videos in your gallery. Let's take for example, you downloaded a video from TikTok and you liked the sound. All you have to do is extract the sound from that video on the app and you can just input it into your own video. I love that feature, guys. Like, see, if you're watching this video and you think you have an app better, you can still let us know. We can try it out. I wouldn't mind just checking it out and telling you guys my own opinion. It might be a good app and somebody in the comment section might actually want to try out your own app. But yeah, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. The sound effects. Basically this means that you have access to different sound effects. Again, you can also extract sound effects from videos in your gallery.
That's so the class. Yeah, this is an opportunity for you to make me look better. Do you understand?
Okay guys, so did you guys hear that? This was a clip from a YouTube video. That was the only sound that I needed in the video, so I had to screen record that part of the video so I could get that sound. And when I did, all I had to do was just extract the sound from the vllo app. Then again, on the app they have a lot of different sounds, guys. Then next one is voiceover, where you can record yourself talking even while editing your videos. Let's say I want to do a voiceover relating to this place that I'm about to wash. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a productive day in my life. I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a productive day in my life. I'm just going to show you guys what I do when I... So that's just that. The next section we have after the audio section is the graphic section. This is where you can just be creative. Just be creative. Just have a bunch of stickers, guys, that you can just insert into your videos. You have them in basic, shape, line, ABC, 1 2 3, SNS. This is where you can put like your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, blah blah blah. Oh my guys, it's a lot. Next up we have the frame. So we have the basic line, film, vlog, fashion, diary. Let me now show you guys, for example, there's one frame I used to use. I don't know if you guys have noticed. This frame, I actually use it a whole lot. This rec frame. Next up is templates. We have fun, twinkle, love, season, festival, just different graphics that you can use. Lastly, we have the drawing and shape. This is a new feature that they just added to the app. You can draw on your phone with your hand or your pen or your whatever you can use to touch your phone. You can literally scribble anything that you think will be aesthetically pleasing to your viewers. Do you get what I mean? Okay, so now I don't like what I have just done on my screen and I want to delete it. All I have to do is just tap this back button and everything will start going back like that, like that, like that. And if I want to bring them back again, all I have to do is tap this button everything is coming back like I said. The next section is the text section, guys. This is basically where you add different text to your videos. We have different text over here. As you can see, they come already customized, so you can just select the ones that you want. If you do not like the already customized text that is on the app, all you have to do is from the basic option, just be creative with your own and just change the font to this, change the font to this, you know, change the font to different things. The next one is pipe, PIP, which means picture in picture. This is where you can see pictures, videos just playing on the screen. So as you're watching me now, this video that you're seeing by the side is a PIP, a picture in picture. This option here enables me to have this on my screen for you guys to see. So maybe I want to insert a flyer, that is a PIP, so I can just paste it here even while my video is still ongoing. The last section of this video is the effect section. Here we have the filter, the effect, and the distortion. So basically, filter is filter. You guys know what filter is. It just changes the actual video. I think I used this filter in my last uploaded video, if you guys want to see that and see how I used it. Then there are also effects as well. You can change it to this, change it to this. You can see it has changed my face and it's so funny. The last one is the distortion face blur. So what it does is just blurs your face. There's a way I can track it that it can also be following me as I am moving. If there's something on my face that I don't want you guys to see, or if there's a wall at the back of me or a stain at the back of me that I did not see while filming my videos and I don't want you guys to see as well, all I have to do is just use that thing to blur that place out and you guys wouldn't even know it was there or not. When you tap on the video, you are introduced to a lot of options to resize. There are different layouts as well. It gives some sort of cinematic feel to your video. You can change the color of the background, tap the mute button, the volume. If I want to increase the volume, you guys know that. Next one is fade. See guys, like there are a lot to actually explain when it comes to editing. I don't feel like I can just explain everything for you guys, but if there's a particular thing that you'd want me to explain to you, for example, if you want to know how to transition from one video to the next, make sure you comment down below so I can just focus on that topic, because I cannot talk about editing altogether. Like, it's a lot to talk about. There are actually a lot more that you can learn from if we are able to break it down. Do you get what I mean? We also have audio detached. I don't know how to explain this, but let me know if you want to know what I'm talking about. Guys, it's a lot and I'm getting really tired. That is how you guys will always notice when it looks like I'm talking but I'm not talking. I might be doing something now, I might be trying to make up, but I am actually speaking in the background. It's because I have removed the audio from a different video and inserted it to another video, so it will look like I was talking while I was doing that thing. That's basically what audio detach means. Are you getting me? We have other options like animation, we have effects as well, we have speed, we have freeze, we have remove background. Yeah, this is another good feature that I love, and I think it just basically came out recently. I can actually tap the remove BG and this background, this whole wall will be gone, and I can insert something else to look like my background. Do you get what I mean? So that is what remove background means. We have chroma key, blur, reverse, duplicate. There are just a lot of options, guys. For the text as well, you also have different options on how you want your text to look like. Once I'm done with editing, all I have to do now is to export the video. So you can see the export button up on the screen. When you tap that, it shows you different options on how you want your videos to be saved. If you want a low quality video, a medium quality video, or a high quality video, you just have to set it. Talking about how to edit in general, these are the things you need to know. There are even some that are not so important. All you need is a simple app that can cut, add, remove, and export, basically. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two out of this video. If you did, please give me a very big thumbs up, because this took a lot from me. I've been talking for hours, guys. Share this video to your friends who need assistance in, you know, editing and whatnot. And one thing I need to tell you guys is the app can only do as much as it can. It still boils down to the creator. You need to be creative. You need to know what you're planning to film. You need to know how you want it to look like to your audience. So it all starts with you. The app only helps you to actualize what you have already thought about. So yeah, please do not think too much about this, beginners. you guys are very lucky to be beginners, because you have the allowance to do whatever you want with your channel for now, because you're just starting up and trying to see what fits your type of community, if you get what I mean. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Mwah. Bye.